Hello everyone. Today I want to share with you the story of a fundraiser in which I was part of the organization. The cause was very close to my principles because it was about helping abandoned dogs and cats from a shelter in my neighborhood, Pueblo Libre. To- Many of them were hungry and sick, so the shelter needed food, medicine, and even some money to cover basic pet care. I also felt so connected to the problem that I told myself I had to participate, even if my role was small. Together with the neighbors, we planned a fair in the park. At the beginning, one of the volunteers prepared the posters by herself, and then all of us joined in. We called the event Perroton. As a group, we baked cakes and cookies. We also organized a raffle, and we even create like a paw wash station, which was like a fun little spa for dogs. To make donations easier, another volunteer added a QR code for online contributions. And it was such a simple plan, but it turned out to be so effective. People love animals, so they were happy to contribute. I never thought that we could collect so much in such short time, but the generosity of the community in Pueblo Libre really surprised us. From this experience, I believe the best events for fundraising are fairs, charity walks, and even adoption days. For example, in a fair, families spend time together, buy food, and donate without pressure. In a charity walk, people feel involved physically. Our sponsors are motivated to give. On adoption days are also great because they raise funds and at the same time give pets a home. I would even include online mini campaigns with short videos. Sometimes only a short clip is enough to inspire people to help because the stories of animals touch the heart so quickly. Of course, every type of fundraiser has advantages and disadvantages. The main advantage is that you collect money and raise awareness at the same time. You also create a sense of community, and people feel proud of themselves for contributing. On the other hand, the disadvantage is that these events require so much planning and energy, and sometimes budget. Sometimes you only raise a modest amount compared to the effort, and if the event is outdoors, the weather can even ruin everything. In the end, we collect enough money to buy 2 weeks of food, pay for two veterinary appointments for each animal, and cover the warding for several new rescues. I used to feel really proud of myself for being part of this team because I had never imagined I could participate in something like this. I found myself learning how to talk to strangers about the cause, how to coordinate activities with others, and how to manage responsibilities as part of a group. It was such a meaningful experience for me. Thank you very much for listening.